emoji unboxing. So this is actually the latest things that I just recently unboxed today. So basically this mechanical Numpad that I've been trying to search all this time because it is one of the oldest wish lists on the marketplace that I'm currently using right now. So yeah, there's just never been a restock for this mechanical keyboard Numpad. So it is come from Leopold. So even though the Leopold is actually still release a mechanical keyboard in Indonesia, but for some reason the Numpad is just never be re-imported again for some reason, or it may be already discontinued in iMovie. I'm just not sure. So basically Leopold is pretty much have very good build quality, especially when I try to compare the first mechanical keyboard Numpad that I tried to buy directly from China, which are already sold in the 75% of this price. So it is actually more expensive even though the cable is not detachable. So it is pretty much like the Philco Numpad that I used to bought as well, but this one has better condition since there's still a box inside it, even though it's pretty unnecessary because yeah, there's no other things inside it except the mechanical keyboard Numpad. So I directly want to try this on this MacBook Air using the common online keyboard tester. So yeah, just to make sure all the button is still working properly. So yeah, it still feels so different as well. I think this one is used brown switch, but for some reason it's just feel much better than the brown switch of the Gatron in the Keychron. So it's maybe pretty similar like the brown switch that I had on the Philco keyboard, Philco mechanical keyboard, which is, or even for Texpure Pro as well, I guess. Yeah, those mechanical keyboard is pretty old. So yeah, there's not much feature inside it, such as RGB or even hot swappable switches. So yeah, you have to stick around with the switch unless you are willing to use other devices. So I'm not sure about the stabilizer since I haven't tried to pull the keycaps yet. Because yeah, hopefully it's still using it's already used the Cherry stabilizer as well, not the Coaster one, which is pretty annoying for some reason to be reinstalling the keycaps on the keys that have stabilizer on it. So the build quality of the keycaps is also pretty good. I think it was kind of like a Cherry profile, but probably a little bit higher, especially for the additional logo. So the second things that I tried to buy is basically a 3D printed custom Gran Turismo badges for the previous Logitech G29 that I have bought for the steering wheel only. So since yeah, the